Jim, we're here on the corner of Rhode Island Avenue and 14th Street in Washington, D.C. And we're in the middle of this blizzard of 2016. And right now it's kind of a calm point in the blizzard. There isn't too much wind, but right before it was really nasty out here. The wind was going sideways, it was going up. It was really crazy. Now, Jim, if you could keep the camera right here, that would be helpful. Now, I have a list here. Some people are calling this Snowmageddon or Snowmageddon 2 or Snowpocalypse or Snowtastrophe. We've heard Snowbonic Plague by a few people. Snowball warming. So this storm is really, it's all about naming things. And right now we're going to go with Blinsanity, because it's a blizzard and it's insane, and you know, people like that insanity word. So you see people are walking. It's helpful when people are wearing black because then you could see them in the white snow. Here come some pedestrians walking by. You have anything to say, pedestrians? These people are having fun in the snow.
Yes. I mean, this isn't even really snow.
Not yet.
I'm from Boston.
She's from Boston, yeah. See, this is not a real storm yet.
No.
We need 100 inches of snow to be a real storm. Well, back to you, Bob. Bob.